viewers, hello students, welcome to our Tube Education. First of all, thanks for being here. So today we will solve question number 14, 15, 16 and 17 of exercise 15.1 where question number 14 or 15 जो है वो mainly based on the concept of cards. So before solving question, you should know some knowledge about cards. So हम cards के बारे में कुछ जान लेते हैं. Cards जैसे कि सबको पता है one pack of contains 52 cards and out of these 52 cards we have two colors, red and black, where 26 are in red color and 26 are in black color. The 26 red color में से 13 are in diamond shape like that and 13 are in heart shape. So out of this 26 red cards, 13 are in diamond shape and 13 are in red heart shape. And out of this 26 black cards, 13 are in club shape like that and 13 are in spade like that. So totally out of this 52 cards we have two colors and four shapes, where diamond and heart shapes are in red color and club and spades are in black color. Now each shapes have 13 cards. So ये 13 cards को हम किस तरह से नेमिंग करते हैं देखिए. At first diamond, 13 diamond, heart 13, similarly club 13 and spade 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So first one is called ace card. And after that 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And after that 11, 12 and 13. ये जो तीन कार्ड्स है इसको हम जैक, किंग और क्वीन के नाम से जानते हैं. जैक, king and queen. And similarly for heart is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11, 12 and 13 are jack, king and queen. And similar for ace, 2, 10, jack, king and queen. Jack, king and queen. So totally two ace cards are in red color and two ace cards are in black color. So out of this 52 cards, total 4 ace cards are here and jack, king and queen. तीनों को हम फेस कार्ड्स के नाम से जानते हैं. फेस, FACE, फेस कार्ड्स. So diamond shape have 3 face cards, heart shape have 3 face cards. So total 6 face cards are in red color and similarly total 6 face cards are in black color. So out of this 52 cards, we have total 6 plus 6, 12 fish cards, where 6 are in red colors and 6 are in black colors. अब हम क्वेश्चन पे चले जाते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. One card is drawn from well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of number 1, a king of red color. A king of red color means king. That means king red color. So red color में total कितने king होते? Diamond shape में 1 and heart shape में 1. So total 2 kings. So probability of getting a king of red color, getting a king of red color, probability of getting a king of red color, number of favorable outcomes, upon number of total outcomes. So here number of favorable outcomes, king of red color, that means one is diamond shape and another one is heart shape, that means only 2. So number of favorable outcomes 2 and total number of outcomes 52. Total cards 52. That means 1 upon 26. Now next, a fish card. Probability of getting a fish card. Number 2. Probability of getting a fish card. Are you getting my point, students? Probability of getting a fish card means, so how many fish cards out of this 52 cards? How many? 3 are in diamond shape, 3 are in heart shape, so total 6 are in red color, and similarly total 6 are in this fish card and 6 are in black color, so total 12 fish cards. So a probability of getting a fish cards, number of favorable outcomes 12 and total number of outcomes 52. So 6, 3, 13, 3 upon 30. Probability of getting a fish card 3 upon 30. And third, a red fish cards. Probability of getting a red fish cards. So number 3, probability of getting a red fish cards. So similarly, now number of favorable outcomes upon number of total outcomes. So number of favorable outcomes, red fish cards only 6. 3 are in diamond shape and another 3 are in heart shape. So that means 6, 52. So 6 upon 52. That means 3 upon 26. 3 upon 26. Now next, fourth, the jack of hearts. Jack of hearts. तो heart shape में एक ही jack होते. Heart shape में is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After that up to 10 and after that jack, king and queen. So only one jack. So that means probability of getting a jack of heart shape 1 upon 52. probability of getting a jack of hearts, getting a jack of heart is equal to 1/52, क्योंकि यहाँ के फेवरेबल आउटकम्स जो है वो ओनली 1 है, क्योंकि हर्ट शेप में ओनली 1 जैक है, सो 1/52. नेक्स्ट अ शेप, नेक्स्ट है क्वेश्चन अ स्पेड, क्वेश्चन नंबर जो 5th है, अ स्पेड प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग अ spade. So spade. So total 13 cards here. Spade shape में कितने cards होते हैं? Total 13. So probability of getting a spade shape cards, that means 13/52. 13/52. That means 1/4. And last one is the queen of diamonds. The queen of diamond. Probability of getting a queen of diamond. So diamond shape में how many queens are there? Only one. Ace, jack, king and queen. So number of favorable outcomes 1/52. That's the answer. Now next question, question number 15. 5 cards, the 10, jack, king, queen and ace. Question number 15. Of diamonds. डायमंड शेप में अपने 5 कार्ड्स निकालो, वो क्या क्या है? एट फर्स्ट एस, 10, jack, king and queen are wheels of it and with their face downwards. One card is picked up at random, so find out what's the probability that the card is a queen. So here total number of cards 5. So probability of getting a queen is equal to number of favorable outcomes upon number of total outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes only 1 because only 1 queen, and total number of cards 5. That means 1/5. And next part is if the queen is drawn and put aside. ये जो क्वीन आपने ड्रॉन किया इसको आपने पुट असाइड, साइड में आपने रख दिया. सो नाउ टोटल नंबर ऑफ कार्ड्स ओनली 4. एस, 10, जैक एंड किंग. एंड व्हाट्स द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट द सेकंड कार्ड पिक्ड अप. अब यहाँ से आपने ये 4 कार्ड में से आपने एक कार्ड चूज किया, एंड व्हाट्स द प्रोबेबिलिटी इज एन एस कार्ड और अ क्वीन. और सेकेंड पार्ट की जो फर्स्ट पार्ट है, व्हाट्स द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग एन एस कार्ड्स. So that means number of favorable outcomes. So here only 1. So number of favorable outcomes 1, but total number of outcomes 4. Because जो 5 cards थे उनमें से ये queen को आपने हटा दिया था, तो now total number of outcomes 4. That means 1/4. And probability of getting a queen ये 4 कार्ड में से कोई क्वीन नहीं है. जो पहले क्वीन था वो आपने ऑलरेडी हटा दिया था, तो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग अ क्वीन 0. नो क्वीन हियर, नो क्वीन, सो 0/4. दैट मीन्स 0. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. Question number 16. 12 defective pens are accidentally mixed with 132 good ones. 12 defective pens 132 good pens के साथ mix हो गया. It is not possible to just look at a pen and tell whether or not it is defective. One pen is taken out at random from this lot. This lot में से एक randomly एक pen आपने choose करा. Determine the probability that the pen taken out is a good one. जो पेन आपने चूज करा वो पेन नॉन डिफेक्टिव हो, दैट मीन्स गुड वन हो, उसका प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या है? Total number of pens 12 defective and 132 good one. 12 defectives and 132 good one, that means 144. And you have to probability of getting a good pen. Probability of getting a good pen. That means good pen 132. So 132 upon 144. 11 ones are 11. Sorry, 12 ones are 12. 12 ones are 12. 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. So 11 upon 12. That's the answer. Now, next question, question number 17. A lot of 20 bulbs contain 4 defective ones and 4 defective ones, that means 16 good ones, and 1 bulb is drawn at random from the lot. What is the probability that this bulb is defective? So 20 bulb में से randomly 1 bulb आपने choose करा, आपको find करना है कि probability of getting a defective bulb. So question number 17. Total number of bulbs 20, and out of them defective bulb 4. So probability of getting a defective bulb. Probability of getting a defective bulbs. Probability of getting a defective bulb is equal to number of favorable outcomes upon number of total outcomes. So here number of favorable outcomes, out of this 20 bulbs 4, because given that 4 defective ones and total 20. So 4 upon 20. That means 1 upon 5. And probability of getting a defective bulb. Next part, suppose the bulb drawn in is not defective and is not replaced. What is the meaning of that line? Suppose the bulb drawn, वो जो bulb ये drawn ये choose करने के बाद is not defective, ये defective नहीं है, and is not replaced, उसको वो जो आपने नॉन डिफेक्टिव बल्ब निकाला उसको आपने उसके साथ फिर मिक्स नहीं किया, उसको साइड में रख दिया, पुट aside. So that means in this case total number of bulbs 19, because लास्ट में जो हमने नॉन डिफेक्टिव बल्ब निकाला वो हमने साइड में रख दिया, so total number of curds 19. So in this case you have to find the, now one bulb is drawn at random from the rest, and what is the probability that this is, so what's the probability that this bulb is good one, that means non-defective. So at first remaining total bulbs is equal to 20 minus 1, that means 19, and you have to find the probability of getting a non-defective bulbs. So probability of getting a non-defective. So number of favorable outcomes. So how many non-defective bulbs are there? Out of these 19 bulbs, क्वेश्चन में गिवन था सपोज द बल्ब ड्रॉन इन इज नॉट डिफेक्टिव एंड इट नॉट रिप्लेस. जो आप मान लो आपने जो बल्ब निकाला वो डिफेक्टिव नहीं है, उसको आपने साइड में रख दिया. सो आपने एक नॉन डिफेक्टिव बल्ब को उसमें से हटा दिया. पहले तो नॉन डिफेक्टिव बल्ब कितने थे? 20 में से 4 डिफेक्टिव था, दैट मीन 16. 16 में से आपने जो 1 निकाला वो भी आपने साइड में रख दिया, दैट मीन्स 15. सो नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल आउटकम्स, सो 19 में से आप 15 ही जो गुड बल्ब्स हैं. सो 15 अपॉन 19, दैट्स द आंसर. थैंक यू.